Hey high schoolers, let's play a little game. I'm going to show you a sentence that could appear in a college admissions essay, but it'll be written in two different ways, okay? So here's the first way it could be written. And here's the second way. Now, which of those two sentences do you think would do better in a college admissions essay? Ready for the answer? It's actually the first one. It's simpler, it's more casual, and this is a common mistake we see writers doing when they're writing their college admissions essays is they try to sound too smart. They try to sound too much like a college professor, but that's not authentic. That's not who you are. That's not your true voice. You wouldn't use those words in real life. So don't try to shove them into your essay just for the sake of sounding smart. Keep it natural, keep it authentic. College admissions officers will know if you're trying too hard and relying too much on a thesaurus.